Hi guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to extend slash var file system because in the real time mostly we may get slash var file system is getting full, right? In that case what we do, we actually zip the old logs or 90 days old log files. If we are able to delete, then we will be able to delete them, right? And then it will free up the space. If there is no way to do that, definitely we need to extend the slash var file system. Okay, so actually even slash file system also, because slash file system or slash where all these are LVM partitions in the actual system. If you see here, right, if you see a slash file system I have, but slash var I don't have, right? So if you have slash var file system here, right, so slash var, if you run like df hyphen h capital T slash var, right, what are you able to get? So slash file system is part of like slash file system only, right? So we need to extend it. For example, what you do, so because we can extend directly because it is a LVM partition, right? So first we need to check whether space is available in the VG or not, right? So you are already aware what is PV, VG, LV and all, right? Now we need to see the space available in the VG or not by running the VGS command. Just run the VGS command. You can see here 452 MB is free, right? So but I need for RHL, right? So this is part of RHL. How we get to know means, here you can see RHL root, right? RHL root slash. So root is the LVM, and then RHL is the VG name, right? If you run VGS command, you can see for RHL just 4 MB is left because there is no space in the VG actually. So we cannot directly extend the LV, right? So what you need to do in that case, right? We need to get the new disk and then scan the disk, and again like we need to extend the VG and then extend the LV. So how we need to do, I'll show you now. We requested VMware team because we are in the VMware environment right now. For example, we requested VMware team to get the new disk, right? So once they add the disk, we can scan at OS level using echo command. Okay, so echo command, what it does is channel target learn, we scan at OS level to make the disk visible in the system, in the Linux system. Okay, we already have 4 disks created on top of this system, right, for this system. So I'm creating, go ahead and creating like one more disk. Okay, so recommended case is recommended, next 20 gig I'm taking, or for example only 15 gig you want. In the real time it will be I mean higher, like 1.5 TB or 2 TBs or just 500 GB, something like that. Okay, so they will add the disk, right? So you need to get the once you get the disk, what you need to do, you need to run the echo command to scan at OS level, right? So echo hyphen 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 channel target line I'm scanning slash sys class skz underscore host to 0, right? And then scan. So for HPA card, we done it, right? For HPA card 2 and for HPA card 3, whatever the HPA card we added, right? So once you scan this, if you run lsblk, you can see the SDE disk is visible, that is of 15 GB. Now we need to convert into a PV and then VG and then LV, right? Something like that. So we need to first create a PV slash dev slash SDE, right? So let's run lsblk again to see the disk, that is SDE, right? So pv create slash dev slash SDE. Okay, and lv, we need to extend a VG actually, right? So VG extend, right, slash dev, sorry, we need to give the VG name. What is the VG name? RHEL. You can clearly see that RHEL is the VG name here, right? So RHEL, and then we need to give the whatever PV that we created, that is SDE extended. Now if you run VGS command, you can see the 15 gig is there, right? Which means the space is there. Now you should be able to extend LV using LV extend command. LV extend option capital L, right? And we need to specify how much space you want. For example, just 10 GB you want. Okay, 10 GB you want to extend, 10 GB. Okay, and then giving the name of LV slash dev slash VG name and then LV name, something like this. Directly extending slash means it will also extend the slash var, right? So include slash var also, right? So it will extend slash var, slash home, and slash series, everything it will extend. If you have separate partition for slash var, then you can extend same lv this way. Okay, and it is extended. Now it is xfs partition, right? So if you run like df-ht command slash, here you can see this is type of xfs. If you need to extend a file system also, xfs underscore grow fs, and you need to give slash dev slash rel and then root, right? And it will also extend the file system. That's it. So if you run mount -a, and then if you run df-ht command again to check it, you can see here slash file system as 47 GB. Okay, so that is how you can extend it. If you're not aware like what is pv, vg, lv, how you need to extend, if space is available in the vg, if space is not available in the vg, how you need to extend and all, I have other separate two videos. I'll give you in this video description. You can go through it so that you will get it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. If you have any questions, you can comment, share, you can do. I'll help you with that. Thank you. Bye bye.